To enable clients to respond quickly to situations that need attention, you must configure a VMS to detect problems and then send emails and text messages to the proper resources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to assign an alarm to another operator. The map in the lower left has a blinking hotspot to indicate that we have an alarm in the lobby area. Let's click the hotspot to access the submap, where the reception CAM02 is located. Inside the submap, Lobby Top 4, we see Reception CAM02 has lost connection. To manage the alarm, we'll click the Alarm Manager tab. Let's double-click the top alarm to open it. Now, we'll click the Assign To drop-down list. We want to reassign this alarm, so we'll choose Alan and click OK. You just saw how to assign an alarm to another operator. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.